The individual vacation pay release program is used to release vacation pay for an employee. The program allows you to release a portion of the employee vacation by either specifying a percentage to be released in here or specifying an amount to be released. To release an individual vacation pay, you just have to provide the employee number in here, the pay period end date where this vacation pay is gonna go. So for this example, we're going to select one employee that we're going to release his or her vacation pay. I do list of values in here, and I would select employee 201, which is Bright Flower Rosalind. And then, by default, this is the employee's current pay period end date that's defined in the employee master file. So if you want to change it to go to another pay period end date, you have to go to the make sure that employee pay period end date is changed. So you can do that with the pay period end date change program to change the pay period end date. And in here we define the vacation year beginning end date, vacation year ending date, which is basically defining the pay period end date that we're releasing the vacation pay from. So if this employee have accumulated since 1970 to February '01, and we would like only to release his vacation pay for that's he or she had accumulated for the year 2001, I would change that to '01 January '01, which is basically the start of the payroll year, January 1, 2001 up to December 31st, 2001. And oh, I guess it's because something like the employee year-end date is February 8/01, so it's not allowing you to release a vacation pay that is after this pay period end date. So I would just go and release it then up to '08 February '01. Oh, okay. 31st, I should say January '01. It doesn't allow you to release the vacation pay that this employee have accumulated for this period, because really it hasn't calculated the accumulation for this period. So January '01, and then in here by default it's giving me 100%, meaning to say I'm releasing everything. And I could change that one to say release only 10%, or in here it's telling me the how much is the vacation amount available. I could override this one and say something like I only want to release something like $10, and then when I run this program it will only release $10. Or I could have, as I said, you could specify the percentage or the vacation amount to be released. So let's requery this and let's try. I want to release only something like 10% of that 1576. See how this one changes? It will automatically recalculate it for you, displays how much is 10% of the available accumulated vacation for this employee. And after you have put in the proper percentage, proper vacation pay amount, and you're satisfied with how much is it going to release and everything, then to run the program you just have to click on this execute query button and then run, and it should have created it should have released the vacation pay for this employee. To verify that one, it's $58. Remember that one. To verify that one, let's go to the current pay inquiry, which is under inquiries in here, and it was for employee 201, and it was for pay period of February 8th. So I would put that one. I would provide the employee number and the pay period end date in here and execute query, and you can see the vacation pay amount. It's $58. which correspond to what it was displayed on that vacation pay release program. This concludes our tutorial on how to release individual vacation pay.